Well, hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to my channel. It's Sean from Seankbeauty. And today we want to talk about, do we use facial brushes on our skin? So I'm debunking some myths, but I'm also going to give you some helpful tips how to take the best care of your skin if you're going to use an exfoliant. So let's get right into this. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Sean. My background is microbiology and biochemistry. I bring science to beauty, and I also do luxury makeup tutorials and luxury unboxings. Today's video about skincare is one of my highly viewed video topics because a lot of people want to combat their skincare concerns and issues. So I was happy to bring this video to you all in partnership with Mix Easy to really help debunk myths and also to help you to be the best informed consumer when going into your skincare routine. So let's get right into this video. Hopefully you all will like, share, and subscribe and correspond with me down in the comment section below because I really do love to love you here. So we hear about exfoliation a lot. The skin renews itself every 28 days. Exfoliation helps to speed up the process. It gives us a smoother canvas where we can put on our makeup, and it absolutely looks flawless because it gets rid of any dry patches or any dead cells that are sitting on the surface of our skin. So it is a good thing. However, too much of anything is not going to be good for us on any level, right? Whether we're doing peels or we're doing microdermabrasions, or even if we're using a spin brush. So one of the things that I want us to be cognizant of is how often we should do this. So if you have normal to oily skin, you want to work up to once a week. If you're with dry or sensitive skin, you want to work up to maybe once or twice a week. When the winter months come around, we really want to evaluate our skin to determine whether or not we should use our spin brush or if we should just use some sort of mild exfoliant. Let's talk about the exfoliation brush for a second. With my background being in microbiology, the one thing we want to be sure of is that we're using our brushes that are free from microbes. So the key is to definitely use an antimicrobial soap in between use to clean these brushes before going in and using them. So I wanted to show you the Radiance Skin Care System from Mix Easy. This is coming with a facial exfoliation brush. It's also coming with a large body cleansing brush, a facial cleaning brush, and a pumice stone. What you can do with the pumice stone is attach it to the brush head and work on any sort of calluses or anything that you have going on the feet, even corns. This has two settings, so whichever setting you're comfortable with. But again, remember, in between use, you want to disinfect this with some sort of antimicrobial soap. I have the Mix Easy face cleanser here onto the brush head or onto your body brush and just exfoliate the body with this. Now they also have body products, but you can use your facial cleanser. I use it on my décolleté and on my neck area as well. You can go on their website and curate your own product and name the product yourself. So I named my bottle Seankbeauty. That's what I named it. Nothing crazy. You can choose, I saw rice milk on there, hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, avocado. So a lot of the ingredients that you're looking for to help you with your skincare concerns, you can actually choose off of this website. And I find it to be ingenious. And the fact that it is scientists that are behind this brand, you all know that definitely got my attention, right? So I would opt for this, and again, put it on your body brush, or you can buy their products for your body care. Can I get irritated by using a face brush? And the answer is yes. Using too much of anything, whether it's not just a spin brush or even if you're using like a salicylic peel or anything, too much of anything is going to aggravate the skin. So I would put this on the setting that you're most comfortable with, but don't go ham in overuse. I would definitely pump the brakes on how many times you're using it. The next thing I wanted to say is this does bring radiance to the skin as well. I have a few friends that use facial brushes and their skin is absolutely flawless and they refuse to use makeup. They don't wear makeup at all. They just use their Duvolle brush or their spin brush, and they actually see the radiance and luminosity to their skin. It minimizes their pores and their skin is tighter because they use the brush. So there you go. That's some of your benefits right there. So let's talk about the lymphatic system for a second. Lymph nodes are everywhere on the body. The most abundant of them are in the neck. But also the lymphatic system of the face is collecting cellular waste and is eliminating that into the bloodstream. So where would a spin brush come in handy? This would help to stimulate the process with bringing about that detox. So the body brush for the body and the neck area, and the spin brush for the face. So again, helping with that detox. Also, when you've used something like this, it helps to deliver, or it speeds up the absorption rate of your moisturizers and even your serums. Now again, we don't want to use our brushes and everything, and we don't want to exfoliate or do peels too much because we're actually exposing a fresh layer of skin. The next question that I'm sure I'm going to get is, would this distribute bacteria all over the skin? No, it wouldn't if you're cleaning the head of your brush. So using an antimicrobial soap or something that's antimicrobial rich as far as a cleanser and cleaning your brush in between use is going to eliminate that from happening. If you're not using a brush, you want your area, and I've mentioned this in previous videos, to be wiped down, cleaned down. We love to do everything in the bathroom, but that houses a lot of bacteria. So you definitely want to disinfect even your bathroom cabinets. When we're doing, peels, acid peels, they would tell you, make sure that your hands are not going onto the face because germs from your hands will get into the skin. So again, there's a lot of things that we need to be cognizant of, but I'm just wanting to give you the benefits of using something like this, but also some key tips on how to get the most out of your products and out of your skincare routine. Okay, so are all brushes created equal? And the answer is no. What I do love about this brush system is that there is a softer bristle head in here brush, and then there is one that is a little bit more densely packed. So it just depends on what you're going after. However, if you have cystic acne, I would seek your dermatologist before using a spin brush, because cystic acne is really deep under the skin surface and it can be very painful. So make sure you seek your dermatologist. But these brushes are known to help to eliminate acne. And that is what we want to do. We want to take a proactive approach of what we can do in home to help to keep our skin clear. If you do have acne, going on to Mix Easy and picking your ingredients to put in your facial cleanser that you can put on your brush to help with your acne is going to be key. And I would say one of those key ingredients I'm going to mention to you is aloe vera. So they will take the guesswork out of it all for you. You can choose up to 5 ingredients and they will actually tell you what each of those ingredients are good for. So there you go, just a powerful duo here, the facial cleanser along with this, or you can go after the face scrub and curate your own product by choosing ingredients and putting it in your face scrub as well, and using these interchangeably. Spin brushes are not the same across the board. There are some to minimize fine lines and wrinkles. There are some to help with acne. This one is for both and actually helps to detox the body as well because of the big body brush. I would definitely say get your hands on this. Like, it is such an enjoyable spa night, and you will see your skin looking more radiant. It's going to have that tighter feel to it. If you have pores, it's going to minimize the appearance of pores. It's helping to detox the skin because it is helping to eliminate that cellular waste. It's also going to bring a radiance to the skin, if I haven't said that as yet, stimulate collagen production, which is something that we all are looking for, right? And you can use this pumice stone on your feet. So not only are you using the system for your body and for your face by interchanging out the brushes, but you also have this pumice stone that you can use on your feet. So it is just an all-in-one system that you can just throw in your suitcase if you're a traveler, or just have at home as a staple, that when you do want to have a spa night, you can use this. Or if you just want to bring this into your skincare routine and use it once a week, then I definitely say go after this as well. The discussion continues. Leave your questions down below. I definitely encourage conversation to continue about spin brushes and exfoliation. I'm all about skincare, and I do love makeup, but here's the thing. We need to have a healthy canvas in order to really get the best out of our makeup application. So that warrants looking at your skincare routine, products that you're using. I definitely say check out Mix Easy. You won't be disappointed. I know there's some reviews here circulating on YouTube, and they're all really great reviews. And trust me, I've been using the products and I absolutely love them. You guys have seen my summer nighttime routine where I use their products for my nighttime routine. I think it's so good. And for the winter time, I'm looking forward to really moving forward with using this some more. This is the Mix Easy shampoo, and this is the hair mask. And Briogeo was a hair mask that I would always gravitate to. I'm gravitating to these too. So there you go. Now this is a little bit watery of consistency, but again, it just is based on the ingredients that you're adding to your product. But the hair mask is a go-to. And a lot of you asked me about hair masks and all that jazz. So definitely their shampoo, conditioner. I love to use products in a line, as you all know, and their hair mask. I definitely say give it a go and you won't be disappointed. And again, now you can choose what ingredients you want in your hair products, what ingredients you want in your skincare products, and see the benefits of those ingredients on their website. So it's like you're working along with scientists in a lab to make your own products come to be, and you can name your products. So hopefully you all enjoyed this video. I'm glad that I could be here on YouTube at the time that I am. I've leveraged some really great friendships with a lot of you, and I'm so blessed to be working with some amazing companies, and especially with Mix Easy, where scientists are definitely involved. I'll see you all in my next one. Ciao for now.